Hello friends, how y'all doing? It's Christmas season and I'm gonna show you how to make Christmas lights look even cooler. All you need is a set of Christmas lights and ping pong balls. What you wanna do is to make a hole in the ping pong ball. Like this. And you can also use a screwdriver for this, but the drill is a little bit easier. Just be careful so you would not injure yourself. That's a tough one. Finally. Alright, here we go. Next thing you do is to insert the ping pong ball into the light. Like this. Then you do the same with the other ones. Alright, here we go. It looks pretty cool. Well, let's see how it's gonna look like. I'm gonna plug it in. Look at that. How cool is that? Check this out. Really cool. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and found it interesting. Subscribe for more videos and I'll see you next time.